New in IronCAD 2026 is an environment migration tool that allows you to import and export your settings from previous versions to the latest version. This will not only transfer your settings to the new version, but will also migrate the current new settings into your old settings. To use the tool, it can be launched at the end of the installation wizard, or it can be found in the Start Programs IronCAD 2026 folder, where you can launch the tool and export your selected environment settings, which you can export from any previous version that's installed on your machine. So you can select out, for example, IronCAD 2025 and save the files. This will allow you to set all the settings that you want to save. This includes your UI settings, your registry settings, everything that's related to IronCAD from IronCAD scene, drawing, and draft environments. This will allow you to save the file, give it a name. Once completed, you can now go back to the Home dialog, and now you can import these into your new environment. For example, if we wanted to import our just previously exported settings, we can select our 2025 settings and import those into the IronCAD 2026 version to import those into the new UI settings and migrate the data from 2025 to the 2026 settings. You can also reset all the settings back to the default version. So if you're migrating certain settings and you may not want to use those, you can select the Reset All to reset your settings. This is a very handy tool to allow you to migrate from previous versions of IronCAD to the new versions while maintaining your current customizations, whether they're the UI customizations to your ribbons, your tools options settings, so that you can have a consistent startup when you launch IronCAD in the newer versions.